Hi, good morning, engineering fanboys. So today, uh, I'm 3D printing some gift for my friend. Uh, so this is a good opportunity where I can kind of show my process to how I was able to 3D print the name of someone. So basically, this is how it's done. Um, this is the slicer you can see here. Uh, so this is Alina. It's like my friend's name. Uh, and so I wanna, surprise her and give her this thing. Uh, so I actually made this using this other software called OpenSCAD. So OpenSCAD, uh, it's like a variant of SolidWorks. Again, there's a lot of CAD models, computer aided design. This one's actually free, which is a good thing. So you click on open, and then what the hell? New actually, new, or just click on recent. Okay, here it is. Well, this one's actually different. This one's I'm gonna print out mine later. This one says Pablo. You see that? That's pretty cool. You can. It's called 3D modeling. In all this space, 3D space. And then right here is the editor. The editor is, now this I didn't write. That's some computer code that like some computer code. I have to get better at coding. Coding is something that very useful skill in engineering, computer programming, computer coding. I think even as a mechanical engineer, you should still know coding. It's kind of like a industry thing. Uh, so the code is basically text string, font name, add a special character. So this blue is these are called comments. So the person that wrote this code kind of guides you on what each line of code is. Line 8 says if you want to add a special character, left or right, activate it here. Add a special character, so that's just like, but I didn't mess with anything. You really just kind of just right here. So for example, when I put someone's name, let's go like that. And then you click F6 or F5. I think it's F6. And then once you click F6, you should see it here. But actually, it didn't pop up because you're supposed to render it first, and then you're supposed to. Yeah, so that's why I got an error right here. Yeah, so so you're supposed to click F5 and then F6. Click F5, and then it renders it, and then click F6. It's processing. This green bar here. It has to go to 1,000. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's kind of glitching a little bit, but it oh, here it is. I thought it was struggling for a second that I have frozen. So you see here, this is kind of how it is. So somebody writes the code, and then, but how did I pull this, right? So how the way you pull this is you go to printables.com, And then here's kind of like they give you a lot of models, and then from printables.com it kind of gives you the guidance on how to do it. And I have a lot of fun with it. There's a lot of things that you can 3D print. um, it's already done for you, so there's that. um, so yeah, okay, so we're at 5 minutes, so we're doing good with time. And then you click export G code, uh, and then you export it, and then you have it on your thumb drive. And then from your thumb drive, you click eject, click eject. Or you know, you don't want to live dangerously, just eject the thing with your bare hands. There you go. So you put, so now we have the G code from the computer, and then we can put it on the thing here. But there's more. You have to whoa. Plug it in here. Okay. And then you click on, actually, because it's the first time that I've used this printer in a long time, like almost a year. I don't even know. Like I took a break from engineering because you know it's exhausting. Engineering is hard work, so it's fun, but it's hard work. So that's why I took a break, you know. But obviously, now that I'm seeing there's a lot of great opportunities in the engineering space, a lot of good jobs, especially with this all this H1V1 stuff going on, and then Elon Musk, you know, best engineer on the planet, and then so definitely like I feel like this is a good entry point to use my degree, you know, after taking a long break. So here, next step. So you wanna level it. Level it means that you want it to be flat. You don't want it to be crooked, because then the way 3D printing works is that it goes layer by layer. Layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, etc. Right? So that's really how it works, layer by layer. X Y axis, and then Z axis, X Y, length, width, height. So that's kind of how it works, right? But you don't want it to be crooked. This is called the bed. This thing here. So yesterday's video, I said this was the head, and it really was the head. It's correct. So I was correct. There's really no technical term. They really call that the head. And then this one's the plate, the bed plate. And then you can click on automatic. So now it's gonna do this thing, and it's gonna like pick a bunch of points. It's gonna go like this, T. It's gonna pick all those points, and then it's gonna generate data, and then that data is interpreted by the person. And then if